So you're thinking about traveling solo for the first time. It's a thought that's probably sparked a mix of excitement and maybe a little bit of nervousness. That's completely normal. You might be dreaming of adventure, craving the ultimate freedom to do exactly what you want, or perhaps you're seeking a fresh start, a chance to reconnect with yourself away from the noise of daily life. Whatever your reason, you've landed in the right place. Taking that first step is the hardest part. But solo travel is one of the most empowering and transformative experiences you will ever have. It's more than just a vacation. It's an investment in yourself. The beauty of traveling alone is that it pushes you just outside your comfort zone, where real growth happens. You'll learn to rely on your own instincts, solve small problems on the fly, and discover a well of resilience you never knew you had. Every decision is yours, from which museum to visit, to what time you wake up, to spending an entire afternoon just sitting in a park watching the world go by. This isn't about being lonely. It's about being self-reliant. It's about learning to enjoy your own company and opening yourself up to the world in a way that's simply not possible when you're with a group. You become more approachable, and you'll be amazed by the connections you make with fellow travelers and locals alike. But I get it. The how can feel overwhelming. How do you choose where to go? How do you stay safe? How do you plan without over-planning and ruining the spontaneity? That's why I've created this comprehensive guide. Today, I'll walk you through everything you need to know to turn that dream into a reality. We'll start by exploring 7 incredible destinations, perfect for first-timers, from the charming streets of Portugal to the serene landscapes of Japan. For each one, I'll give you a complete blueprint: where to stay, what to do, how to get around, and even what to eat. After that, we'll dive into the practical stuff: my proven strategies for planning your trip, essential safety habits that will give you peace of mind, the must-have apps for your phone, and a smart packing guide so you can travel light and prepared. Most importantly, we'll talk about how to build unshakable confidence on the road so you can handle any situation with grace. My goal is to give you the tools and the courage to not just go on a trip, but to truly thrive. Let's make your first solo trip unforgettable and completely stress-free. More people than ever are traveling alone, not because they don't have anyone to go with, but because they don't want to wait anymore. When you travel solo, you make your own schedule, move at your own pace. Discover who you really are. Meet new people naturally. Solo travel isn't lonely. It's liberating. For your first solo trip, choose a destination that's safe, easy to navigate, friendly to travelers, aligned with your interests. Great beginner destinations include Portugal, Japan, Austria, Iceland, Thailand, Slovenia, Netherlands. Start with a place that feels right, not necessarily the most popular. With warm natural light. The secret to a truly incredible solo trip isn't a perfectly color-coded, minute-by-minute itinerary. It's finding that sweet spot between preparation and spontaneity. Good planning is your safety net. It reduces the initial stress of arriving in a new place and gives you the confidence to explore freely. But over-planning? That can suffocate the magic, leaving no room for the unexpected detours that often become the most cherished memories. So, how do you strike the right balance? Focus on creating a solid framework, not a rigid cage. Here's a simple checklist of what you should lock in before you go. First, book your first 2 or 3 nights of accommodation. This gives you a guaranteed, safe place to land, drop your bags, and shake off the jet lag without the pressure of finding a room while you're tired. Next, arrange your transportation between major cities or destinations. Booking that train from Lisbon to Porto, or that flight from Bangkok to Chiang Mai in advance, can save you a lot of money and ensures you won't get stuck if things sell out. Then, identify your top 3 absolute must-do experiences. Not 20, just 3. This gives your trip a gentle anchor, ensuring you see the things you've dreamed about, whether it's hiking to a specific viewpoint or visiting a world-class museum. Now for the practical safety nets. Always research the safety of the neighborhood where you plan to stay. Use travel blogs, watch YouTube walking tours, and check out expat forums for honest, on-the-ground advice. A quick look on Google Street View can also give you a great feel for the area's vibe. Also, make sure you have backup payment methods. Don't rely on a single card. Carry a primary credit card, a backup debit card, and a small amount of local currency for those cash-only situations. Keep them stored in separate places. And finally, the most important thing you'll hopefully never need: travel insurance. It's non-negotiable. It protects you from unexpected medical emergencies, trip cancellations, and lost luggage. It's the ultimate peace of mind. And that's it. That's your foundation. Everything else, leave it to chance. Let your curiosity guide you. Follow a street just because it looks interesting. Pop into a local bakery that smells amazing. Say yes to a spontaneous invitation from a fellow traveler you met at your hostel. By planning just enough to feel secure, you give yourself the greatest gift of all: the freedom to truly discover the world and yourself, one unplanned moment at a time. Where you stay can make or break your experience. Choose places that are well-reviewed, 8/10 plus or high-star ratings, central and well-lit, close to public transportation. Popular among other solo travelers. Before booking, always read reviews that mention solo traveler, location, security, and cleanliness. These tell you more than the pictures ever will. Solo travel is about awareness, not fear. Here are simple habits that keep you safe. Walk with purpose. Don't share your exact accommodation with strangers. Keep valuables in a crossbody or hidden pouch. Use official rideshare apps. Avoid empty streets late at night. Send your itinerary to someone back home. Confidence comes from preparation. These apps make solo travel smoother and safer. Google Maps, Offline Maps, Rome to Rio, Transport Routes, Booking.com and Hostel World, Accommodation, Uber or Bolt, Safe Rides, Google Translate, XE Currency, Be Safe, or Life 360, safety tracking. Your smartphone becomes your best travel tool. One of the biggest fears about traveling solo is the thought of being lonely. But here's a secret that seasoned solo travelers know. Traveling by yourself doesn't mean you'll be alone. In fact, you often meet far more people when you're on your own. Think about it. When you're with a partner or a group, you're in a self-contained bubble. But when you're solo, you're open, you're approachable, and you send a signal to the world that you're ready for connection. Your solo journey is an open invitation for adventure and friendship. So, how do you turn this potential into reality? Let's start with where you stay. Your accommodation is your home base, and it can be your social hub too. When booking, look for social hostels or guest houses. Use apps like Hostel World, and look for properties with high ratings for atmosphere. These places are designed for interaction, often hosting nightly events, family-style dinners, or having lively common areas. Don't be afraid of dorm rooms. They are an incredible way to instantly meet people. Just choose one with privacy curtains for a good night's sleep. Next, get out and join activities. Free walking tours are a solo traveler's best friend. They're available in almost every major city, they're budget-friendly, and you're guaranteed to be with other curious travelers. It's a low-pressure way to learn about a new place while chatting with people from all over the world. Often the group will grab a coffee or lunch together afterward, and just like that, you have plans for the day. Beyond walking tours, look for group classes or excursions that align with your interests. A cooking class, a surf lesson, a language exchange, or a day trip to a nearby landmark. These activities attract like-minded people, giving you an immediate shared interest to talk about. And don't underestimate the power of online communities. Join Facebook groups like Girls Love Travel or country-specific backpacking groups. Post your plans and ask if anyone wants to meet up. It might feel bold, but you'll be amazed how many others are looking for the exact same thing. Finally, the most powerful tool you have is your own courage to start a small conversation. It can be terrifying, but remember this: almost every other traveler is open to chatting. You don't need a clever opening line. A simple, genuine, "Hi, where are you from?" is the universal icebreaker. Ask for directions, compliment someone's backpack, or ask for a food recommendation at a cafe. The worst that can happen is a short conversation. The best? You could meet your new travel buddy or a friend for life. Every long-term friendship starts with a simple, "Hello." Be the one to say it. You'll be surprised how many incredible friendships begin with that one small, brave step. Pack light. Seriously, the lighter your bag, the lighter your stress. Bring neutral clothing. You can mix and match: a portable charger, travel lock, reusable water bottle, basic first aid items, comfortable walking shoes, copies of important documents. Aim for one carry-on bag. You'll thank yourself later. You won't start your trip feeling confident. Confidence comes after you take the first step. Every new challenge you face, every small victory, every moment you navigate alone, it all builds a version of you that's braver, stronger, and more self-aware. Solo travel doesn't give you confidence. It reveals the confidence you already have. Solo travel teaches you to trust your instincts, explore the world freely, and fall in love with your own company. You learn to slow down, to become present, to appreciate moments that would normally go unnoticed. And when you return home, you don't just come back with photos, you come back transformed. So, are you ready for your first solo adventure? If this guide helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment telling me, where would you travel solo first? Your journey starts now, and trust me, you're more ready than you think. Like, subscribe, and click on the bell icon to receive notification when the next video is ready. Click the link in the description to book their flight, hotel, ticket, and more.